How's it, guys? Welcome to my home studio. My name is Kelly, and on my channel I like to share planner videos, recipes, art videos, crafts, DIYs, mixed media, happy meal and hauls, and sometimes I will throw in a lifestyle video. So if that piques your interest, I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel. I would be ever so grateful. So without further ado, today I am going to do one of my recipe Nook Happynichi Happy Planner videos, and I have my beautiful House of Flynn Traveler's Wallet right here, and this is how I house my recipes. And then I have my Tombow mono drawing pen in 0.5 as well as 0.3. I like to put the title in 0.5 so it stands out a little more and write the recipe in the 0.3. I've pulled my Happy Quotes sticker book by the Happy Planner as well as my fun florals. I do like to use those. And I have pulled a recipe from this binder. This is one of a myriad of different ways that I keep my recipes. This happens to be my Hello Kitty binder. And I got this several years ago from the Sanrio store that used to be right down the street. Sadly, it is closed, but you can still shop online. So there's that. And today I have pulled a recipe from my younger sister's mother-in-law, so her husband's mom. This is a favorite, and it is super duper easy, and this is Pepper Steak Rosie. So, I am going to, of course, use the new Glam Girl paper, which I absolutely love. Right here, it is the baby blue. It comes from the Half Sheets Glam Girl Notes, Half Sheet Skinny Book, Notebook. And it has blue dot grid paper. So I will place my stickers and write out my recipe, and then I will bring you folks back. Okay, guys, so this is a really simple recipe, and it is super fast to pull together during this time of year when everybody is so busy. So, Pepper Steak Rosie. Slice steak thin, add salt, onions, green peppers, a little homemade hot sauce to taste. Now, you don't have to have the homemade hot sauce, and you could just use some sriracha or some just good old Tabasco if that's all you have, or you can leave it out altogether. If you make homemade hot sauce, it's super simple. You need green chilies, some garlic, and olive oil. Mix it together, let it marinate, and rock and roll. And that's all there is to it, really. And a little salt. Okay, so mix and then heat a small amount of olive oil, then add the steak mixture, then cook until done, turning occasionally. And that, my friends, is all there is to this recipe. It is super good, and it is super fast. So, I decorated the front, and I also decorated the back. So, I chose a quote from the Happy Planner Happy Quotes book. It says, "Give up, give in, or give it your all." So, I think that looks super sweet. And that, my friends, is everything. If you like what you saw, I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel, and I wish you all a very beautiful day. Thank you ever so kindly for watching. Peace out.